Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so tracking can actually work. Sign into the same Google account on your Realme and give location permission. Make sure Google Play Services is active. Next, open Settings, search Find My Device and toggle it on. This registers the device with Google. Once done, verify the phone has network access and battery above 20%. That prevents false last seen times. Make sure you do these steps now, so the device is discoverable when you need it. After enabling tracking, go to Google.com/Android/Find or open the Find My Device app and sign in with your Google account. The map will show the device location or a last seen timestamp. Zoom and pan to confirm landmarks. Use play sound to ring the phone even if silent, then choose Secure Device to lock it and display a recovery message with a contact number. If you suspect theft, avoid confronting anyone. Use the location details to coordinate with authorities or plan the next step safely. To finish, decide between continued tracking and factory erase. Remember, erase device will remove your Google account and stop further location updates, so use it only as a last resort. If you plan to involve police, share the exact coordinates and recent screenshots. This makes the report actionable. If Find My Device fails to show your phone, make sure you signed into the same Google account, that location and Find My Device permissions are on, and that the phone has power and network. These fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.